Hi, my name is Matt Rich, and today we're going to be teaching you how to properly take water quality samples, as well as how to accurately take lake clarity measurements using a Secchi disc. This is a Secchi disc, and this is a great way to measure lake clarity. This was invented in 1865 and is used all around the world to measure the clarity of lakes. And how we measure the depth of clarity is by dropping this down into the water column until we can no longer distinguish between the white and the black quadrants. We then measure that depth by using this rope, which is measured in 1/10 of a meter increments with 1 meter marks in these yellow tabs. And we ask you to take a lake clarity measurement 6 different times. 3 times going down into the water column, and then 3 times coming back up into the water column. And that gives us an average of all 6 of those measurements. And when you take a water quality sample, we ask that you take it in 2 different bottles. This one we measure for total nitrogen and total phosphorus, which is the food that fuels the algae growth. This bottle we use for chlorophyll A analysis, and that's how we measure algae growth, is through chlorophyll A concentrations. And the reason we use an amber bottle is because light can degrade chlorophyll. And when you take a water quality sample, we ask that you leave the cap on it first and use it to gently swish the water. And what this does is this disperses any surface scums or any sort of unwanted material that we don't want in the sample. You then invert the bottle upside down, go under the surface, fill it, and cap it. Also in your Secchi Day sampling kit, you'll get a set of instructions that'll show you how to take an accurate Secchi depth measurement as well as a proper water quality sample. And lastly, none of this would be possible without you, our citizen scientist volunteers. With 35 locations on the lake, each site being sampled in duplicate, there's no way that we could collect this much data in such a short time frame. So again, all of this is because of you, so thank you.